Hey everyone, welcome back. Forgot your up passphrase and cannot log in? Up uses a passphrase rather than a standard password. Here's exactly how the recovery process works. On the up login screen, tap Forgot Phrase. You'll find this below the passphrase entry field. Now ask for the email address registered to your account. Enter it and then tap Continue. Up will send a recovery link to that email address. Open your email app and then find the message from Up. Tap the link inside it. This opens a secure page where you can set a brand new passphrase. Choose something memorable and at least 10 characters. Up encourages using an actual phrase or a string of random words rather than a short password, since this is what makes your account more secure. Once you've set the new passphrase, return to Up app and log in with your email and your new passphrase. If the recovery email does not arrive within a few minutes, check your spam folder and junk folder and make sure focus mode is also off in the control center. So, all you've got to do is forgot passphrase on login screen, enter your email, tap the recovered link and set a new memorable passphrase. You're back in. Subscribe for more Up Bank guides.